Hey guys, so different kind of video today. I really wanted to talk to you all about something that's really important to me, and just as someone that lives in the very amazing but very fucked up country America, I wanted to talk about gun violence and how it's an issue that we all need to be focusing on, not just because it's important, but just because we all need to pitch in. I think there's a way of people just becoming very individualized, and I want to see us all become more community oriented. As someone that has worked as an organizer, I think it's really important to come together. So I wanted to talk about different ways that you can get involved in your community to help fight against issues like gun violence, and also just different issues that are going on. And there's a lot of things going on against the LGBT community right now. So yeah, let's get into it. First thing you can do is to go to a rally or a protest. Obviously it's not the same as like voting or something like that, but just being around different people that have similar beliefs as you can be really healing, and also just make you remember that you're not alone. I'm someone that grew up in a really conservative town, so being around that sort of thing is really healing, and I just love being able to see so many people that have the same mindset as me and are also wanting to help out. I went to a rally for the March for Our Lives organization, which was started by the kids that were in the Parkland shooting in Florida.
We can make our American dreams a reality and not a nightmare.
Yeah.
I believe in freedom, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. These are not just words. These are not just words that we teach our children, but a solemn vow that every American deserves. That life is uninhibited by an early grave at the hands of a gun. That liberty is uninhibited by the fear of gun violence. A pursuit of happiness that is uninhibited by early caskets. Friends, to all of you that hear me today, I appeal to you now. Let us ensure that no child is senselessly killed at the hands of a gun ever again, so they can enjoy their life. Join me in making this pledge towards somebody you love. Let's work together, not as Democrats or Republicans, but as Americans.
A lot of them are in college and living adult lives now, so it's unfortunate but also great that they're getting involved in their community. It was an incredible experience, and I really hope that you all could participate. It was great hearing like David Hawk speak and incredible people like that. And yeah, if you live in a big city, or even if you live in like a small town, when I went to school in Myrtle Beach, we would have like protests and rallies that I would go to. Just try to like follow like Facebook groups or Instagram pages that have information about that. That can really help. And also, yeah, it's just great to be around people that are not crazy conservatives. Another thing that is great is signing petitions. I'm gonna link one in my video description below to help support background checks. It may feel like you're not doing a lot, but just signing it and showing people and government official people that you are in support of this, and they can see the numbers like, oh wow, so many people support this, is a great way to get involved. Another thing, especially with the election coming up, is to vote. I know that as an organizer, I would hear a lot of people say like, how can voting help? Or they're still frustrated. I understand that, but also if people didn't vote, we wouldn't be where we are today. The world would still be like so just even more messed up. Like, women can vote, women can work and run for president. So many of those things would not be a reality if not for the past or things that have happened already. So even though it can be frustrating, it's so important to vote and do your research and vote for people that really do align with your values. So it's important, use websites like Ballotpedia to do research on even your local candidates. So yeah, that's everything I wanted to say. I really do want people to like see this video and know that it's okay to feel frustrated, but try to channel that into something productive and just come together. I know that sounds cheesy. Yeah. Also, sorry if the lighting was weird. My light went out in my room, but yeah, I hope this is like good in some way. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and be sure to subscribe, and yeah, check out the links in my bio. Bye.